People have such a hard time understanding what a stop sign or red light means. I don't think they'll get this added messaging. Plus, they taste so good. Now in the distance here I notice this car going through a red light because mine is green, so therefore theirs must be red. And of course, as I speed up here, it's a Beamer. As you'll see here, all makes and models are prone to color blindness.
CEAB 465.
Now this intersection here at Brimley Road and 14th Avenue in Markham, in my videos is famous for left-hand turners right there going through red lights.
Yeah, that's a red light.
If the police would just set up something here, they could get a number of them. And some worse than others. You gotta be careful turning left, and do not make any assumptions that somebody is going to stop until they actually do. And here's an example of just because your light is green does not mean somebody's going to be running the red. And later on he does an abrupt lane change, and again objects are closer than they appear, and it's kind of sudden. Although he does signal, so I'll give him that, but honestly, this dude should not be driving. And there he is. And here's another wonderful soul turning left right through a red light that I had the fortunate opportunity to pull up beside and get a nice little picture, this time a little clearer than the previous clip. Maybe he needs a new prescription for those glasses. What is with people turning left and going through red lights? I don't know. But anyway, here's your license plate.
Yeah, no thank you. No thank you. You're covered with mud and it's 4 in the morning.
Plenty of red light problems here at Markham Road and north of the 407. This one, just a lack of judgment on this one, should have stopped. This next one, wow. It's really bad.
Why is she your favorite?
You have to be severely distracted or just a person who severely does not care to pull that off.
Passion and her
Holy
belief that she
what
was
the
chosen.
You guessed it, Mercedes. Anyway, pulling up at this stop sign, I thought they were actually going to go right through the stop sign because of where they stopped. And as you can see, they're using the last line of the crosswalk as their stopping line. I thought, okay, well, that was weird. Second stop sign, same thing. Just, I don't know, no. And you think this is it? No. There's another stop sign. And again, I thought they were going to go through this one as well, or just roll right through it. But no, they pretty much stopped fairly decently, but just at the wrong white line. You know that thick, wide white line? That's where you stop. But again, when you're driving Mercedes, it don't matter. Look at that. Do whatever you want. Thumbs up. This is a nice special one I left till the end. And this time it's not a car. This is a cyclist. And I'm telling you, they're not going to last very long if they make decisions like this. She ends up stopping, pretty much blocking the person who's trying to do a left-hand turn. And yeah, that's where this one ends. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my rants. I haven't done one for a while where I'm really going at it, but anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.